Are you always looking for the best bargain for embroidery? Do you know that you have to be careful? There's a lot of scams out there. Keep watching and we'll talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today on the vlog we're going to talk about embroidery scams. I know, you're probably saying it'll never happen to me, but it's happened to a lot of people and it's kind of sad. So I'm going to give you guys a few pointers on how to spot a scam. The first rule is if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So, for example, if you see anywhere on the internet, if you see a 10 needle Brother PR 1000E embroidery machine for $2,000, you have to ask yourself, is that too good to be true? I'm going to say yes, because they go for around 12, 13, 14, $15,000 depending on where you are. And do you really think someone's going to sell it for two? Probably not. I think you're going to be out your $2,000. Now, if your best friend is going to give you a deal, or the lady down the street is going to give you a deal, that's a whole different story, because you can walk over and you can look at the machine and then you can decide for yourself if it's good or not. But at least you can see the machine, you hand someone cash, and you walk away with the machine. If you're going to do it online, you don't know. Most of the time they put up stock pictures, which is also a dead giveaway. If you can't even post a picture of your actual machine that you're selling, yeah, that kind of makes me nervous. A lot of people, it's been going on for years and years, and a lot of people fall for it, and it's easy because we so desperately want that deal. Now, a couple of things people say, well, I'll pay through PayPal and that's safe. No, not as safe as you think. They will take your $2,000. They'll transfer it to a bank account, not necessarily their bank account, or withdraw it and leave with it. So they have a fake PayPal account with a fake bank account. Now, what is PayPal going to do about that? Nothing. PayPal is not going to help you because they can't find the person. They're not, law enforcement or anything like that, and they're not a bank. And so you've lost out on your money. So PayPal is generally safe, but not really. They can take your money and leave, and they just open up another account and they do it again. So these people scamming, they keep doing it because there's a lot of money involved and people will pay for it. 10 years ago, and it probably continues on now, people were bidding on 6 or 10 needle embroidery machines on eBay, of all places. And guess what? They didn't get their machines at all, and they're out the money. Okay, I know eBay polices everything, but it's the same thing before. You pay eBay through PayPal, and there you go. Your money's gone. They don't care about their PayPal account. They'll just close it because they got your $6,000. They don't need anything more. So try to be careful. If you can't see it, if you don't know the person, go and see the machine and see what it looks like and how it sounds. Those are all important things that you need to do when you're purchasing an embroidery machine. If you compare it to purchasing a car, would you buy a car from a stranger without even seeing it, send them the money, and expect to get a car that actually runs? It's the same thing. It's absolutely the same thing. You need to turn on that embroidery machine. You need to hear it run. You need to look at the screen. You need to listen to make sure nothing's loose or nothing's terrible. I mean, if you got a machine, you could end up with a broken machine. So try to be careful. Try to be careful. Now, if you see advertisements on Facebook, there's one going around that it drives me nuts because it's always there and it shows up in my newsfeed constantly. Yeah, it's really annoying. And what it is an embroidery machine, a 4x4 embroidery machine for $66. Now, what do you guys think of that? Meh, meh? No, you can't buy any kind of embroidery machine for $66. It may cost $66 to ship it to you, but do you really think they're gonna do that? No, they're not. So even though you see it on Facebook, even though they paid advertisements and you think, okay, everything on Facebook is safe, it isn't. You have to be logical about this one. There's another one. It's not embroidery, but it's for one of those cabinets that, you know, you open it up and it stores like literally everything. Now, can you get why not everybody has one? Yeah, because they cost about $3,000 and up. And there's an advertisement, and I'm going to guess the same company, and they have them on sale for $129. No, you're not going to get a cabinet for that price. It's not even reasonable. Again, it would cost that to ship it. So don't hand people your money sight unseen. I know online shopping is the thing, and you can feel free to shop at different places. I need a good designs in machine embroidery. They have a lot of stuff. All Stitch is another one. Now, these businesses are tried and true. They are in the United States and they have accountability. If a pop-up company comes up, there's nothing you can do about it. So different places, you know, just pick something well known and you can be safe knowing where your money is going. So it should work out. So just be careful and remember, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Don't just hand over your money to anyone for something. If you're going to do that, hand it over here. Okay, right? If you're going to give away $2,000, send it to me. That's fine. But just be careful with your money. You wouldn't hand it to a stranger, so don't do it online. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hold on for a PS. So, PS, I want to know what you guys think. Should I trade McDreamy in for a luminaire? And if I do, we're going to have to name the luminaire, and you guys are going to help me with that. But what do you think? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. All right, bye. Bye for sure this time. Bye.